Good afternoon, everyone. This is Matt over at WallStreetLiveChat.com. All right, everybody's talking about Apple. What's going on? What's happening? Where do we buy? Blah, 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 blah. Let's take a look. All right. Here's something very interesting. This is a golden cross. This is very bullish for a stock. But is Apple acting like it? No, not at all. But I want you to take note of something. What I'm thinking is going on is people are buying it very cheap here at $450. We are going to blow up to the upside. It's going to happen. I can almost guarantee it, just from a technical standpoint. There's buybacks going on. There's Jeffries lowering things, this, that, and the other thing. Listen, your RSI right now is at 26. Okay, that's low on the daily. That's real low. That's under 30. So what that means is you're very, very oversold right now. And you have a golden cross, which is very bullish. I don't see us coming down to fill this gap. That's right here in the chart. Let me open this up a little bit. Okay, you have a little gap right here. I do not see that taking place yet. I do, however, see a big bounce coming this week. If they do rip this down to here, it would be pretty insane, but the volume's just not there, and I'll show you that on the weekly in just a second. Your Arun is down at the bottom now, and it's going to just kick off to the upside. What I do think is going to happen is you have an upper gap, and this is very oversold, okay? And you have a bullish cross, a very bullish cross. I think Apple's going to start turning green here very soon. Right, and we're going to come up and we're going to get to at least the 490, okay, if not better, especially with this golden cross. And we could get very aggressive to the upside after that. Somebody's buying cheap stock in as much as they can down here. That's pretty much what's going on with Apple. It's not a broken company. There's nothing wrong with it. It's one of the biggest companies out there, and has, it's still selling product. It doesn't matter. It's something else is going to, the TV, something's going to happen where this thing's going to be sent north. Anyway, just from a technical standpoint, I think we're at the bottom right now, and I do think we're going to bounce tomorrow and continue for the rest of the week bouncing until we close the 490 gap. If you're playing options, that could be very lucrative. Just keep your stops and know that you have a lower gap down here that has the potential to be filled. So you do have the potential to get to this area, but I don't see that happening. Taking a look at the weekly real quick, yes, we came under the 50-day moving average, but the volume, I don't think the selling volume is here to rip this thing down anymore. Last week it was, last week was the down week, broke the 50, lost the support, and then came down to 450. We held that 450 after we dipped today. Okay, something else that you might want to look at as support is the top of all these candles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, a wick, 6. And you want, this looks like support to me. Okay, so if this is support, then we're going to come up and work this upper gap. Okay, if for some reason somebody comes in and dumps, we're going to come down to 427. My guess, because we're so oversold right now, and we have this cross, the golden cross taking place, I think we're going to get very aggressive and shoot up to the 490, maybe even 500. So that's my take. This is Matt over at WallStreetLiveChat.com. Come on over, hang out in the chat room. Best picks out there. Options, big boards, penny stocks, it doesn't matter. 50 of us trading during the day and not missing a trick. Have a great night. Good luck with Apple and any other trade. Peace.